Well, I did fuse the copper, but I didn't know. I think there's a couple of reasons for that. One, that copper had been, this is the 6th time I've tried to melt it. Every time you expose metal to that type of heat, it changes its structure. 2, I've been using the only crucible I have, which is what I use for aluminum, what I use with charcoal, and that has a lot of buildup of shit on the outside of it, which I think also played a part. Now, I switched to aluminum and created that. Now, it's possible that has both aluminum, a little bit of bronze to it, and even a little bit of copper. I have 99% pure copper on the way. I have a new crucible on the way. Both should get here around the 2nd week of July. That's when I'll try for another copper melt. And also, that's when I think I'll actually do it. I will succeed. Plus the fact I think on this one I loaded up with too much borax. So, I'm going to finish cutting the bottom off of this and have me some more beer. Which of course beer is a staple of life. Do some barbecue out back.